Looking for a stress-free way to outfit your team with custom gear? Now, it's easier than ever. So easy. It's just 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Choose your designs and products for your custom online merch store. No more spreadsheets, no size charts, no hassle. Step 2. Share your unique store link with your team. No chasing orders. No back and forth emails. Just one click. Step 3. Each team member orders their own size, style, and quantity right from the store. No more guesswork. Once all orders are placed, our automated system prints and ships directly to your team. No pre-printed merchandise, no wasted inventory, and no upfront costs. Get custom gear on demand whenever you need it, whether it's a team of 2 or 2,000. This is Decorate on Demand, simplified,